right, welcome back. You're still tuned in to Eswatini TV. This is Nedbank Business Watch. Thank you for staying with us. Dabula Dlamini from Nedbank. He's the team sales at Nedbank Manzini branch. He joins us today to talk more about Nedbank's smart financial tool, the overdraft. A very good afternoon, Kosi. Welcome back. Thank you for coming through. So, yes, we're back again to talk about the overdraft account. What is an overdraft and how is it different from a traditional personal loan?
Good afternoon, Tomani. So thanks for the opportunity. May I take this opportunity to greet the viewers at home? And in terms of the overdraft facility, an overdraft facility is an opportunity which is extended to our client in terms of that they can be in a position that they can withdraw money that they don't have on their account. So it's a facility that is extended to the client whereby the client can access more money than he has on the account. So it enables a client to utilize the funds without having the money, but he has an obligation that he has to pay back that funds.
Yeah, we know that, as adults, we go through financial demanding seasons, such as the back-to-school season. How is this tool useful in such, situations? Okay,
thank you for that question. The overdraft facility gives a client at home who has a family and who has children who are going to school to access fund. We take note that as a Nedbank, you find that clients have challenges when it comes to paying back the school fees and in terms of budgeting and all the other elements that is involved in budgeting. So if you find yourself out of budget, and then we are saying, instead of being stressed further, Nedbank is providing this solution to our clients, and we're saying they can come through so that we can offer them this opportunity where they can access the funds at Nedbank.
So is it only for short-term cash flow challenges and unexpected expenses?
Yes, we encourage for short-term challenges that we are experiencing, and we are looking at the situation that because it's a short-term loan in a way, which afford you to be awarded to you for over a period of 12 months. And within the 12 months, you can make a decision whether you clear it or you can even clear it on monthly basis. But it is a short-term and it is designed to cover very, very challenging situation that we are experiencing instead of being exposed to the other situations that you can't even find another funds to pay back the situation that we are experiencing at that point in time.
Okay, so what are the requirements and who is eligible to apply for an overdraft?
All clients from Nedbank are eligible to apply for an overdraft, and anyone who has a pay slip who get paid salaries through Nedbank can come through Nedbank and be assisted in terms of being awarded the overdraft facility.
Okay, so how does it work exactly? Do I need to have funds in my account, and how long do I need to be with Nedbank in order for me to be eligible to have this overdraft account?
Okay, our waiting period is that we just need one salary in your account. Okay. Once the salary has gone through once, then you are eligible that we can afford you an overdraft. However, there are elements where we do affordability test. Remember, we need to not to lend recklessly, so we do assessment on the clients, and once we see that the client is affording the overdraft, it is awarded to the client, and it is a solution that we encourage for clients who are disciplined, because it also needs discipline for an individual to work around it.
Okay, so let's talk about limits, and also let's talk about interest, because we know that anything that has to do with the transactions has interest. What is the limit firstly, and what are the interest that you concur when you have the overdraft?
Okay, when it comes to overdraft, we afford our clients at prime plus 10%, which is the current rate that we award to our clients, and that is the interest that the client has to pay. But this interest that we are talking about is annually, it's not monthly. When we are saying you are going to be charged an interest of 10% plus prime, is through 12 months, it's not one month situation. And it depends on the balance that you have in account. Like take for example, if you have an overdraft of 10,000, you will, if you've utilized only 5,000, you will not be charged the interest of 10,000. You will be charged the interest of the overdrawn amount, which is 5,000 at that point in time. So it gives you also an opportunity to manage your funds in that essence.
Okay, do I still, am I still eligible if I have a personal loan with the Nedbank? Do I still, am I still able to have an overdraft?
Yes, anyone who has any other facility in Nedbank, not limited to personal loan, even ABF and home loans, you are eligible to apply for an overdraft at Nedbank, and you can be awarded based on our affordability test. Okay,
so we know that, overdrafts are useful, as you've just highlighted and explained, but also they can be risky if you're not a disciplined customer. What guidance do you normally give your customers before, applying and using the overdraft?
Thank you for that question. As Nedbank, we have an obligation to provide financial literacy to our client. So when we are servicing our client, we share information around those lines, the importance of financial management, because we literally put all our clients under the financial journey of Nedbank, where we then share information to them and they are in a position to understand how to manage their money.
Okay, so who's actually best suited to have this smart tool, Nkosi? Because as you said, it needs a disciplined customer, someone who knows how to maneuver with money. Who's actually best suited for this overdraft account?
I would say everyone who is a client at Nedbank is eligible to access this solution. And in terms of the fact that we don't give money recklessly, and then we engage the clients in terms of financial literacy, which then give us authority to say whosoever we afford this solution has been taken through and understand the importance of discipline. And then we will literally encourage financially literacy at Nedbank.
Okay, so as families navigate the back-to-school season, what steps should they take to ensure that this facility, the overdraft, still meets their needs?
Thank you for the question. Maybe just to add another light that we are currently running at Nedbank, we have clients whom we have literally done our assessment digital solution, where we share information to our client and say, you are eligible for an overdraft of 5,000, for example. And we are saying to those clients, if they are experiencing financial challenges, they can come through Nedbank. They don't need to go through the process of applying. Theirs is already ready to be dispersed to them in a form. It's a pre-approved overdraft. For them it's just to highlight to us to say they want the overdraft, and then if they are saying yes, they will get the overdraft within a short period of time. And with the clients that is at home who doesn't have the overdraft and has not received the SMS, we encourage that they come through to the bank if they are experiencing challenges in terms of financial strains, and then they can come through to us. We do the calculation, and then we will then award them the overdraft according to their affordability.
Okay, so your limit is determined by your salary and your loans?
Yes, I wouldn't say it is limited based on your loans. It is limited on our algorithm that we use to do the test, the assessment for overdraft facility and how much you can qualify for. The only solution you can get is when you come through at Nedbank, and then we can do the calculation at Nedbank, and then we can then give you verdict of the application in terms of has it been approved and how much has been approved on your overdraft.
Okay, because the technology has taken over our lives. We do everything online. Can I apply for this particular tool online, or I need to physically visit your branches?
Yes, you can access our website and you can literally apply there. There are teams behind who are already available to attend to any request at Nedbank, and anyone, anywhere can access that platform, and we can use it, and we can be assured that in a short period of time you will be assisted in a way.
All right. Can I swipe anywhere in the country or even outside the country?
Yes, you can swipe anywhere in the world, not only not in Eswatini, in the world, including Eswatini.
All right. So lastly, because before I let you go, contact details in case there's more information customers would like to ask.
Thank you very much, Mtombeni. My email address is malamini@nedbank.co.za, and my contact number is 7802-2819.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you for your time, Gospel. There you have it, the overdraft. But for more information, do contact Mdabula Dlamini from Manzini or visit their social media pages, quite interactive for the smart tool, the overdraft. Let's take a break. So we are going to match.